how to use DoorDash Scheduled Delivery. So first of all, let's open our application, and then from here you can now select the item that you want. I have some few on my cart, so I'm going to tap on my cart, and in here you can see this is my subtotal. So in here what I'm going to do is tap on continue, and you have to now select your payment method. So you can either pay with your debit card or credit card, or either of those platforms. So I'm going to go with my debit and credit card. Then you'll need to add in the credentials like your card number, your country, and everything. After filling up that, you're going to tap on save, and after tapping on save, now this card will be added to your DoorDash. So after adding the card, a subtotal will be shown to you. So before checking it out, you'll get the option of scheduled delivery. So all you need to do is simply tap on that option, and then you'll be able to select your date and time, and after doing that, only tap on place order, and like that you'll be able to schedule your delivery on your DoorDash, and that's it.